Hello and welcome. Today we'll talk about United Business Solutions and the monitoring and evaluation system offered by United Business Solutions. United Business Solutions offers world-class monitoring and evaluation system called M&E Online. M&E Online helps you to collect, analyze and publish data about projects, donors, beneficiaries, subrecipients and implementation partners. It gives you a one-stop solution to maintain and manage all your data needs regarding your project implementation, monitoring and evaluation. Why work with us? Flexibility. United Business Solution comes with experience of different varied organizations using various monitoring and evaluation processes for their projects and programs. We know that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and while M&E Online is a specialized solution for monitoring and evaluation built on years of experience and knowledge of internal M&E experts, we provide the flexibility to customize the system to your needs and your processes. The specialization comes from the years of experience of delivering M&E system to organizations as wide in range as from government organizations to multinational donors to small NGOs. We have internal monitoring and evaluation experts who work as business analysts and consultants with us and the clients to help translate the needs of monitoring and evaluation and data needs to the system and help digitize the monitoring and evaluation processes in the organizations with help of M&E Online. Affordability. United Business Solutions provides M&E Online at a very affordable costs, keeping in mind that we are serving the non-profit sector. M&E Online has clients across the globe in 50 plus countries, from Europe, Africa to Southeast Asia. We are present in United Kingdom, Switzerland, Kenya, Rwanda, Zimbabwe, Swaziland, Seychelles, Bhutan, Nepal, to name a few. Some of our esteemed clients are USAID, UNHCR, the World Bank, World Wildlife Fund, Concern Worldwide, Aga Khan Foundation, ActionAid, Akdivoca, UNDP, SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, World Vision, ECLT, which is Switzerland-based organization for elimination of child labor in tobacco growing, FAWE, which is Nairobi-based, operating in 32 countries, Forum for African Women Educationalists, COMESA, which is Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa, the African Capacity Building Foundation, Heart Africa, SwissAid, ACT, Civil Aviation Authority Uganda, CARE International, Land O'Lakes, Millennium Challenge Account, Mary Stopes International, Prime Minister's Development Unit for Government of Jordan, Ministry of Devolution and Planning in Nairobi, Kenya, Government of Gambia, Investment Climate Facility for Africa, Voluntary Services Organization Worldwide, VSO International, the Global Fund, and Eurasian Harm Reduction Network. While deploying the project, we do a minimum 2-week system requirement study to understand your needs, to understand the data requirements, where the data is going to be captured from, how the data is going to be captured, what are the templates that are being used to capture the data, what are the methods to verify the integrity and consistency of data, and we factor in our learning in the customization of M&E Online that we provide. The customization phase is carried out in agile manner, wherein every week we hold a product review meeting with the stakeholders where we show the new features which have been customized, take the feedback from the customer, and make necessary changes to the customizations. This way you can see the progress every week and you can be sure that what is being delivered is what you need. There's a user acceptance test where we encourage you to try and test the product that is delivered and request any changes that you may think so at that time. We provide comprehensive training on the final product that we deliver. We provide 3 levels of training. Firstly, the training for system administrators to manage the system, maintain the backups, create users, allocate user roles, and other such functions. Another training is the end users themselves, how to create plans in the system, how to enter monitoring and evaluation plans, indicator targets, how to collect data from the system, what are the data collection forms, how the data collection forms will be entered, how to generate reports from the system, how to use the report generation tool and the report builder. And lastly, we provide a train the trainer session where we train the nominated users from the organization to become trainers of the system so that users joining the organization on a later date can be trained from within the organization. We'll look at few important features of the product. We have a dynamic dashboard on the product which gives a complete and summarized visual representation of the data which is in the system. This is dynamic and real time and updated every time the data gets updated. This dashboard is also customizable and role based. For example, the finance users see finance related data on their dashboards, while project managers might see activity progress related information on their dashboards. The dashboards have real-time graphs, GIS maps where you could see the location, project locations and information on the maps, and these are interactive maps where you can drill down on the map as well as click on the map to generate a report for that particular project location. And the dashboard also has calendar and tasks option where you can view upcoming events and review pending tasks with help of a dynamic calendar. M&D Online has a robust monitoring and evaluation plans functionality where you can enter the log frame, create logical framework or results based framework with objectives, outcomes, outputs and activities, include the budgets for the activities. You can create indicators in the log frame with disaggregation and up to 5 levels of disaggregation to collect and analyze granular data and compare different elements of indicator by using the report builder tool to generate reports for different disaggregation combinations. The data entry modules for M&D Online are very simple and easy to use. Being a web-based system, users do not have to enter any or install any system on their computers, and they can use the system from any PC, desktop, laptop, tablet or even a mobile phone for data entry. The data entry has dynamic forms feature wherein the system administrators or nominated users can create dynamic data entry forms for the field staff, volunteers and enumerators to fill without being restricted to standard templates. The system administrators or M&D users can set periodic reporting deadlines for the reports, and customized alerts can be sent to all the users through emails for them to remind them to enter the data. The users can also create custom survey forms with rules to hide and display questions based on the responses to earlier questions. M&D Online has a very strong reporting engine with a report builder tool which allows you to generate ad hoc reports by dragging and dropping elements and selecting different filters, creating reports with different combination of filters. It also has one-click report functionality for regular reports that you require. So custom filters help you create or extract specific data and analyze the data the way you want. And M&D Online also has the functionality to directly email the reports periodically to designated users on their email IDs. The one-click templates make report generation simpler for standard reports that are required every month or every week or periodically, wherein the user can just click on the button and generate a report which the user can then download in Word, Excel or PDF form to be submitted to the donors or management or used for any other purpose. M&D Online is strongly integrated with GIS maps, which are real-time, which reflect the exact data at that point in time, and whenever the data gets changed, the map representation changes. They are interactive, wherein you can click on a specific location on the project report on the GIS map to generate a project report for that particular location. And these are drilled down. When you see a particular cluster of particular locations in a wider region, you can click on that cluster to zoom into the map and drill down to the specific location. M&D Online has been built keeping in mind the security of the data, knowing that some of the M&D data would be confidential in nature and very important to the organizations using M&D Online. We have built in security features to prevent unauthorized access to the data. The system has role-based access with distinct user login for each user, and only the data authorized to be displayed to the user is made accessible to the user. The data is stored in encrypted format on secure servers, eliminating the risk of theft. And M&D Online is provided by a secure server connection so that there is no eavesdropping on the internet line and data theft is prevented. We will have a look at some more product features. M&D Online has a module for budget and expenditure tracking, wherein you can create budgets and track expenditure against each budget line item. It is a procurement module which you can use to plan the procurement and generate procurement reports. Activity status info, where you can see all the planned activities and the status of the activity going from planned to ongoing, completed and delayed. M&D Online has an upload Excel and CSV files functionality, which is very useful for the users who are located in regions where internet connectivity is poor or inconsistent. So while the users are still offline, they can continue filling the data in an Excel file and upload the Excel file to M&D Online whenever the internet is available, giving them the complete offline access. M&D Online also allows the users to download reports in Word, Excel and PDF files to be shared with non-users of M&D Online or some other operations that they have to do it in Excel or Word. M&D Online has an inbuilt online help desk when users can raise tickets to the UBS support team, who responds to the queries and support requests immediately. Thank you for your interest in M&D Online. For any questions and queries, please write to please visit www.ubsgroup.me or write to info@ubsgroup.me.